So this was one of the famous rebel songs that have hundreds and hundreds of thousands in Irish traditional music. This is a very fierce one. We get now to a very funny one. So this rebellion was about 1692?
Yes, that's exactly.
1692. The next rebellion we come to is 1916, so much nearer to our time, and it's called Johnson's Motor Car. So 1916, the motor car was still not so much in Ireland as it is now.
Also ich übersetze das kurz ins Deutsche. Wir spielen jetzt ein anderes Lied.